So now come back to Krishna. He stands like this, threefold bending form. He said, "Oh, my head is so heavy, I can't hold my head. My chest is so broad, it's tired. My legs are tired." And he just plays the flute. He doesn't. There's no Garuda. There's no flower airplane. He just walks here, there. Sanatana Goswami says he doesn't wear shoes. He eats with his left hand. He puts the yogurt and rice in his left hand. It's in the 9th chapter of 10th canto. Goes with the boys, pickle between the fingers are pickles and rice and yogurt, sugar, whatever, eating. And Brahma's looking, oh, what is this? When you think about Krishna, you compare him to any lord. No responsibility. Every single lord has responsibilities. They come here for a purpose. They come here to do something. They come here, they're kartas. Aham karta, all this Gita, this is Krishna and Kurukshetra. This is Narayan, Chaturabhuja Narayan Krishna, Dwarka Krishna. So that, and he has a wife, and he has kids, and he has responsibilities, and people are attacking him, and people are after him, and this and that. Prabhupada said on one tape, he said, Kamsa was sending 2 demons a day. Krishna, before he took lunch, Krishna polished off 2 demons every day.